Hello everybody. Stable Local coming in with a new video for you. Going to be opening up online packs from the Pokemon trading card game online. I know the game's about to go offline and we're switching over, but I had some packs available and I wanted to show you guys what I get and see if something happens. Let's get into this video and see if I get lucky. Let's go ahead and open up these Celebration Booster Packs. I got 4 of them. We're going to see if I get lucky and get them. If maybe I can get a Charizard. Let me go ahead and open them. See what happens. Alright, opening up booster. What do we got? Let's see. Ooh, I never done anything like this. Okay. Got Palkia and I got Surfing Pikachu. Let's open the next one. Ooh. Groudon again. Kyogre. We got Team Magma's Groudon and a Mew. Okay. Still got some more. And I'm going to be opening up my other packs as well. These are what the code cards give you online. So you guys can kind of see. And hopefully it's better than when I got in real life. Bum bum bum. Oh. And a flying Pikachu. Okay. Well, let's go ahead and start with, I'm going to start from the left to the right and we're going to see what I get. See, Pokemon Go packs. Let's go and open these things up. Ooh. Can I get that alternate Mew too? Let's see. Nope, got a Sylveon. Okay, open the next one. Let's see. Bum bum bum, bum bum bum, and ooh, Dragonite V-Star. Okay, getting some fire. Let's see. Next one. Ooh, it's got 2. Let's see what we got. A Glossopod and a Tyranitar. Okay. Still, you know, I haven't got. We got at least one hit. We gotta see what else we can get. This is definitely a different type of video. Oh, we got Moltres. Okay. Ooh. I never thought this would be kind of fun. Ooh, Professor's Research. Full art. Okay. See what we get this time. Articuno. Let's see. Melmetal. Let's go and open another. Let's see. Ooh, we got Charizard. First Charizard of the opening. Okay, what do we get this time? Snorlax. And this is the last Pokemon Go pack. And we get another Dragonite V-Star. Okay, we're going to go into 8 Astral Radiance. Oh, maybe we'll get an alternate artwork. Oh yeah, I think Astral Radiance has a trainer gallery too. So we could always get that as well. First one, a Glade. Okay. Haven't hit that fire yet. That's not the fire I'm talking about. That's more like a little flame. Oh, we got 2. Oh, we got Trainer Galley, Gardevoir, and a non-hollow. Okay. Let's see. Ooh, Trainer Gallery Pierce. Look at that. It's a full art Trainer Gallery. And a non-hollow. This is really cool. And my last card is Cleavor non-hollow. I think I had better luck opening normal packs. Okay, what do I get? Rampardos. Come on. Give me something good. Okay, just reverse and ooh, we got a Hisuian Sneasler. Okay. Last one, the Astral Radiance. And I forget which one I have the most of. I think it's going to be Darkness Ablaze. Nope. Oh, it's going to be Lost Origin. That's going to be where we have the most. Yeah, maybe we'll pull the Guillotina V alternate artwork. And a Bolton non-hollow. Can I get that gold ball? I want that gold level up ball. Nothing. Battle styles. Still disappointing. Let's see what we get. We got a Cinescorch non-hollow. Okay, last one. They're gonna be the very best that I hope I get. Oh, Sandaconda. Okay. Brilliant Stars time. Bring on the heat. Oh, what do we get? And no trainer gallery and nothing. Okay, next one. Only one this time and another non-hollow. I was really hoping this is going to be better than what I pull in real life. And it's online and still another non-hollow. Okay, what do I get this time? The same card again. Non-hollow. Okay. And we get a Mewtwo. Unfortunately, still non-hollow. Okay. Oh, got two. We got a Houndoom Trainer Gallery. Okay. And Emporium Hollow. Okay. I'll take the Trainer Gallery one. Wish I had that in real life, though. Nice Houndoom. And I get Ducksnore. I haven't really had too many cards that I absolutely am dying to get. No. Okay, this is the last one of Brilliant Stars. And I think I pulled a Rainbow Charizard in this. And apparently it was not so kind online. Oh, we got some Chilling Rain next. I will say if I pull the Moonbreon on this, I'm going to be kind of mad because I want Moonbreon in real life. Okay, Chilling Rain. No. Not what I'm wanting. So Viper, non-hollow. Ooh, got two. Nope, just reverse and non-hollow. Chilling Rain doesn't even have a trainer gallery. What was I even being like surprised about? Okay, 4 packs left. We can do this. Yes, we can. Okay, can I stop getting Weezings, please? Okay, I get a reindeer instead. I guess it is chilling. Ooh, I got a Catalin full art. I kind of wish I had that in real life. Finally, actually got a card I really wanted. Okay. Actually, that's one of my favorites. Articuno V. It's not the most expensive card, but it is a really cool artwork. Okay, Darkness Ablaze. The Hunt for the Charizard Part 3. Since Part 1 and 2 didn't work out so well. Nope. I guarantee it's going to end the same way Part 1 and Part 2 ended. With me not getting the card. And Mr. Rhyme. Yeah, just be a mime. Just, you know, you can just put up that fake wall. Oh, Butterfree V. Okay. I like Butterfree. More like Beedrill more, but... Okay, let's see what we get here. No. Okay. Let's see what we get this time. Nothing. Okay, okay. Up. And a Flygon. Okay. That didn't really help. Ooh, Crobat V. Okay. I like that one. I like Crobat. Good Pokemon. Non-hollow. We're getting right through these. I might save the Lost Origin for its own separate video, because these actually take a little bit longer than I thought. It'll be a nice one. Another Butterfree V. Okay. Blaziken. I got two more. I think probably after these. It doesn't seem like I'm getting a Charizard. I'm getting Butterfrees. Let the Butterfrees fly! Fly! Open one more. Bum, bum, bum. And a Tux. Wait, I have another one? Oh, I do have another one. Alrighty, check this out. Let's see what we get. And nothing. Okay, let's see what I got. I want to save some of these, so we'll go ahead. We will open up the 7 Fusion Strikes, and then we're going to call it a video. Maybe that Gengar is calling my name. Oh. No. It's not looking so good. Not looking that good at all. I got a Vikavolt. Vikavolt. And we get Stormy. Okay. Holographic Stormy. That's something. It's still not a big hit, but as big as this. No. Okay, 3 more. 3 more Fusion Strikes. We can do this. And then no. That was not what I'm wanting. Okay. I did. Ooh, got a Chandelure, and I did get this weird Voltorb. Okay. I think I got one more. Come on, last pack magic. Last pack magic. Dun 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 dun. Click and non-hollow. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. This is going to be, I guess, part 1 of this series. I mean, of this thing I'm doing. I'll open up the rest of the packs in part 2. If you guys liked what I did, go ahead and please subscribe and leave a thumbs up. I will be switching over to the new Pokemon online game. Once I've opened up everything, I'll have everything transfer. I just wanted to give you guys a feel of what you get when you actually enter those code cards. And if you like, I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye.